Welcome to the Morning Howl. I'm Emma.
And I'm Charlie. Thanks for starting your week with us.
We hope everyone had an enjoyable Thanksgiving break.
Here's what's going on at LCMS this week.
8th grade Design Thinking and Student Council are sponsoring a stocking drive for local senior citizens. They're collecting donations now through Friday, December 12th, so bring in items to help brighten someone's holiday season.
The Winter Band concert is this Thursday at 6:30 p.m. in the gym. Come enjoy an evening of festive holiday music and support our talented musicians.
Lights of Liberty is this Saturday from 4 to 7 p.m. Students come out for a fun evening of food, games, and holiday activities right here at school.
This week in LCMS sports. Tonight is Hawaiian night at LCMS as our basketball teams take on Station Camp. Then they will hit the road to face West Wilson on Thursday. Here are this week's birthdays.
Here are this week's positive officer rules. We'll be right back after this break.
When do you put up your Christmas tree?
The day after Halloween.
Last week.
After Thanksgiving.
After Thanksgiving.
November 1st.
July 25th.
Yesterday.
After November.
The day after Halloween.
After Thanksgiving.
November 1st. When do you put up your Christmas tree?
Like the week before Thanksgiving.
Yesterday. I don't know. Like right after Thanksgiving. I already did.
Yeah, right
December.
Right after Halloween.
I don't know.
November 1st.
November 1st. It's already up.
Probably the day after Thanksgiving.
Right after Thanksgiving.
November 1st.
Usually the first weekend of Thanksgiving breaks, so this weekend.
After Thanksgiving.
Before Halloween.
It's already up.
December.
12 a.m. November 1st, baby.
Sometime before Thanksgiving.
Mine's already up. So basically like
It's already up.
2 weeks ago probably.
The day after Halloween.
After Halloween.
After November. Right after Thanksgiving. After Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
Welcome back to the Morning Howl.
The Lost and Found is filling up fast. Please check for any missing items. Anything not claimed before December 19th will be donated.
And don't forget to mark your calendars for next Thursday. The LCMS Choir will present their holiday concert at 7 p.m. You won't want to miss it.
And 6th graders' student council interviews will be held this week. For Liberty Creek News, I'm Emma.
And I'm Charlie. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Liberty Creek News. Have a great week.